Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it should be in the box if you have put it back after inserting the SIM card. And basically in the cover of the box there was another little white box. You can remove it like this here, and at the back of it there should be here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it if you have it. If you don't have it anymore, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you should find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray should come out. Okay, the SIM tray, we're having here the main SIM card, and here is the space for the microSD card. In case, if you're having maybe a second SIM card here at this position, you have to remove it because we need the full space here for the microSD card. Okay, let's take now our SD card here and press it well, so that's well inserted. Sometimes you will hear a little click noise. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in case also how to transfer now the data from the internal storage to the microSD card. Then you can check it out there, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.